Houston, Texas is about to change in a very big way. Apple and NVIDIA, which is one of the world's biggest AI companies, just announced a 250,000 square foot mega project in Northside, Houston. This project is part of a nationwide $500 billion investment into the US tech infrastructure. This single project alone is expected to bring over 20,000 high-paying jobs. I'm talking about 6-figure, 7-figure jobs by 2026 to Houston, Texas. And that's not just jobs, that is population growth, that is housing demand pressure and neighborhood transformation on a level we haven't seen since the oil boom in the Houston, Texas. I am Wale Lawal. I'm an investor agent based in Houston, Texas. I'm also a rental property investor with over 30 rental units that has helped over 400 investors, new, experienced, and intermediate level to start and scale their rental portfolio. And today I am breaking down what that mega project really means to someone like you. So whether you are a homeowner, you are renting a property, or you are an investor, or you just have anything to do with Houston, Texas, this video is definitely going to add value to you and it will reshape your thinking about Houston real estate. So if you live in Houston, Texas, or you have a family here, or you are planning to relocate to Houston, or you just want to invest in Houston in general, this is an early warning for you and it could be your biggest opportunity if you take action before it's too late. Because when giant companies like Apple, NVIDIA, Tesla, Amazon move into any city, they just don't create offices, they reshape the economies, they create new millionaires, they create thousands of jobs, and they redefine what prime real estate means. So this new project coming to Houston will impact homeowners, rentals, investors, anyone that have family in Houston in a way most people won't see it coming until it's too late. So in this video, I will show you which Houston suburbs are actually exploding in value right now, where the smart money is already moving to so you can act on it, and how you can position yourself before the price and demand take off. Now, this mega project isn't just another corporate campuses. This is Houston's future's economy, because this Apple's new Houston facility located off of Fairbanks North Houston Road will be over 250,000 square foot with construction already underway, and completion is expected to be sometimes July 2026. Now, at the same time, NVIDIA, which is one of the biggest AI companies in the world, is building a major AI and robotic hub nearby, part of the national supply chain shift that is bringing advanced manufacturing back to the United States. And together, this project could generate 20,000 plus in direct and indirect employment, most paying 6 figures and 7 figures annually. And I mean, I'm talking about engineers, data scientists, project managers, a lot of logistics people, and people who want to buy and rent your home. And this marks a big turning point for rental property investors in the Houston market, because Houston economy is no longer just oil and gas. It is now tech, it is AI, it is clean energy, and it is logistics and manufacturing, as you can see. And that diversity even makes Houston one of the most recession resilient cities in America heading to 2026 and beyond. So how does this play out when it comes to real estate and housing demand, or how does it even help investors like me and you? Let's do a simple math. It means that more people coming into the area, it simply means more demand. Homeowners near this corridor or near this facility could see property value rise between 6 to 7% per year as demand surge. Investors will also see rent increase, especially in area very close to these facilities. I'm talking about your Tomball, your Oakley, your Highway 290, close to Cypress, and some part of Magnolia. Now, first-time home buyer will face more competition as inventory tightens and as more people really want to buy the same house as they want. So if you're a first-time home buyer sitting on the fence, this is a good time to take action on the Houston real estate. Now, to put it into perspective for you, when Tesla broke ground in Houston, Texas, average home price around the plant jumped over 30% in just 18 months. Houston North Corridor could see a similar story in the next few months. And here is something I'm already seeing right now as a Houston locals. Builders in these areas are selling out their new construction inventory faster than anywhere else in the metro, simply because of this project going on in the area. So here is where I will focus on if you want to get ahead of the curve right now in Houston real estate. I will look into Cypress and Oakley because they are the closest to these new facilities where these two projects are located. There's a new highway, there's a master plan community as well, and this master community are even selling really fast. Now, if you cannot get into Cypress, I will go into Magnolia and Tomball because this is perfect for families, strong schools, strong job, and a lot of master plan communities that will still benefit from the tech job spillover. Now, if you are very serious about Houston real estate this year, I will also look into any part of Montgomery County because I'm talking about your Conroe, I'm talking about Magnolia, I'm talking about Montgomery, I'm talking about some part of your Huntsville because they do have a lot of lower tax community. Their tax rate as low as 1.5. They have great rental demand and they see a lot of strong appreciation over the years because people are now moving towards the north side of Houston for several reasons, including affordability. And builders are still offering tens of thousands in incentives in this north side of Houston. I have helped clients to realize $40,000 to $60,000 in instant equity on a brand new construction just because we bought it early in the development phase of that community. So if you want a deal like this, reach out to me. I can hook you up as well. And as you are wondering, you are correct. If you're wondering if short-term rental and corporate housing demand will rise too, yes, they will rise because this high income, I'm talking about your 6 to 7 figure kind of clients or rentals, they want a furnished home that is close to a lot of proximity and close to their job. So here is the kicker. Right now, Houston housing inventory is at 13-year high. Prices are soft. Builders are discounting heavily, and we are likely just months away from another interest rate cut. That will bring another wave of buyers into the market, which would create a lot of competition for those that has been sitting on the fence for the last couple of years. So buyers who act right now and take advantage of these mega projects going on in the north side of Houston, while the builders are still giving a lot of crazy incentive because of the higher inventory, could walk into 100,000, even 150,000 of equity on their property just immediately after they close. And that's exactly how smart investors create 6 to 7 figures equity by buying during a low competition, not after the headline already hit. So this Houston biggest mega project isn't just a tech story, it is a wealth building opportunity for the smart investor and smart home buyer. We're talking about jobs, we're talking about population growth, we're talking about infrastructure, and we're talking about rising home demand, and we're talking about appreciation. All signs are pointing to North Houston as the next major boom corridor for a lot of people that really want to make it big in real estate. So if you want to know exactly where to buy and how to avoid those costly mistakes new investors always make, I invite you to schedule a free clarity call on my calendar. You can see the link to my calendar in the video description below, and I will help you to dissect your situation and map out a strategy for you to tap into this mega project that is about to hit Houston, Texas. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and before you go, I will invite you to watch this next video here. I call it Texas housing crash in 2025. Is this a crash or a buying opportunity? I walk you through why prices are falling really fast. That is where I break down a lot of real numbers behind the scene, and I show you exactly how you can take advantage of the Houston real estate this year. I'm Wale Lawal, helping you to build wealth through Houston real estate, and I will see you in the video. Peace.